This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making crab Rangoon. Crab Rangoon is the quintessential American Chinese restaurant food that is virtually unheard of in Asia. I wasn't sure if I should make a video on this recipe. My American friends love this, but my local Chinese friends, not so much. Crab Rangoon is sometimes known as crab puffs and is usually served as an appetizer. They are usually deep fried. But for this recipe, I am using the air fryer instead. It's faster and it's healthier. For this dish, you will need cream cheese, imitation crab meat, green onions, chopped, a clove of garlic, minced, about 30 wonton wrappers. You can use the round ones or the square ones. I'm using the square ones here. You will also need some oil to brush onto the wonton skin. And we will serve this with sweet chili sauce. To make the filling, combine the cream cheese with the green onions, the garlic, and the crab meat. Shred the crab meat up into smaller pieces. To wrap, put about half a teaspoon of this cream cheese mixture in the center of the wonton wrapper. Now, there are two ways to fold this crab Rangoon. The simpler way is to wet the edges with some water. Then, fold it in half to form a triangle. Gently press the edges together to form a seal. The other, nicer way to do it is to put half a teaspoon of filling in the center of the wonton wrapper. Wet all the sides. Fold all the corners together so that they meet on the top center. Press the corners together. Then, press the edges together to form a seal. To air fry these dumplings, brush or spray some oil onto them. Bake these at 180 degrees Celsius for about 4 to 6 minutes till they are golden brown. I like to serve these with some sweet Thai chili sauce. They go well with plum sauce as well. This is crab Rangoon.